Hey, if you are thinking of starting a career in data science, hold up for just few minutes because I am about to tell you things I wish I know before I jumped into the wild world of data. And trust me, it is not about pandas and pretty plot. In this video, I will share 9 brutal honest truths that can save you months of confusion, stress and wrong turns. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or someone switching career, this is video I wish I had when I started. So let's dive into real talk. Guide to data science. No fluff, just fact. Ready? Let's go. Let's kick things off with the big one. People think data science is just sitting in front of laptop writing Python code all the day, plotting graphs, fitting models, learning prediction. Sound cool, right? But here is the real deal. Coding is just one small part of being a data scientist. The bigger part is asking the right question, understanding what data is saying, communicating insight in a simple language, and sometimes dealing with boring and messy, ugly data. So yeah, learn to code, but don't forget the thinking part. That's make you valuable. I used to panic when I saw all the skill listed for data science job like Python, R, SQL, Tableau, lots of stuff. So, do I need to be Iron Man to get this job? Relax, guys. You don't need to know it all. Start simple, pick Python or R, learn basic stats, work on small project. Once you build a base, you will naturally grow into other tools. Like it is like a marathon, not a race. Run at your own pace. Here an underrated superpower, domain knowledge. Sound boring, right? But it is what turns a good data scientist into great ones. Let's say you are analyzing churn rate of telecom company. If you don't know what is churn, what cause it, and how the business work, your model won't help much. So spend time, understand the industry you are working in, learn the lingo, the pain points, the KPIs, because data science is not just about data, it is all about decisions. Now this one, oh man, no one warned me about this. In college or in courses, the data is neat, clean, and ready to go. But in real life, it is chaos. You will get missing values, spelling errors, 500 columns with creative names, and classical CSV from 1999. Cleaning data takes time and skill. And the better you clean, the better your model work. So don't skip the boring stuff. That's where the real magic begins. You ever feel like you have watched 10 hours tutorial and still don't get it? Yeah, been there because watching is easy, but doing is what teaches you. Start building projects, even if they are small. Predict your electricity bill, analyze your Netflix watch history, build a dashboard for your college events. Projects force you to solve real problems, and that's where the growth happens. This one is crucial. Don't fall in love with just tools. Anyone can write, dot fit, and dot predict in scikit-learn. But do you know what is doing under the hood? When you understand concept like overfitting versus underfitting, bias variance trade-off, what a p-value actually means, you don't just use tool, you control them, and that what separate you from the crowd. I used to think I had to figure everything out alone. But once I joined a few data science communities, my whole journey changed. I got feedback, motivation, internship lead, and even friend who code at 2 a.m. like me. Places like Kaggle, GitHub, LinkedIn, Discord server. Don't isolate yourself. The data fam is awesome, full of opportunities. Alright. If you made it so far, thank you so much for watching. Let's quickly recap the golden rules. Coding is just a part. Communication and thinking matter the most. You don't need to know it all. Start where you are. Embrace messy data. It builds your real skill. Build project. Don't just binge watch tutorials. Learn concept, not just buttons. And finally, don't walk alone. Build your community. Be curious, be patient, and don't quit when it get tough because that's when the growth happen. If this video gave you clarity, hit the like button, share it with someone just starting out, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Now it's your turn. Comment below. What do you wish you know before starting data science? Let's help each other and grow, one dataset at a time. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.